Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll down to General Management, and then scroll down again to the bottom where you'll find Reset. From here, select Factory Data Reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, if you have anything on your device that you'd like to keep, maybe things like photos, music, user data, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and this cannot be undone. So, yeah. Now, I don't have anything that I want to preserve, so I'm just going to scroll down, select Reset, and then delete all. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you would need to confirm it. And additionally, if you have a Google account, or not Google, but Samsung account, you would need to sign out of it. Once you do so, it will begin factory resetting, and this process only takes a couple of minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.